Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today's recipe is for a delicious fresh pineapple jam. It's made with no pectin, so it keeps in the fridge for about 3 weeks. And this recipe is also by request. It's a great jam to use on hors d'oeuvres or on just toast. And I like to just use a tablespoon of it in a vegetable stir fry. And you'll need about a pineapple and a half for this recipe. Next, you'll place 1 cup of sugar into a medium saucepan. Then using a large knife, you chop your pineapple and you cut it into chunks to measure about 4 cups worth. Then you add that pineapple to the sugar that's in the pot on the stove and turn the heat on high. And while that's getting started, take a couple of lemons and juice them so that you can use the fresh lemon juice in this. It's amazing how the lemon juice will bring out the natural flavors in the pineapple in this recipe. And I really like this juicer because it separates the juice from the seeds of the lemon. And when I take and pour it though, I have to remember to use the right side so that I get just nothing but juice. Need about 2 tablespoons in this recipe. So now it's starting to boil, which is good, but I need to have this boil for about an hour, so we'll turn the heat down to a minimum and let it continue to simmer. Just stir it every 10-15 minutes to make sure that it's not sticking, but have it at a low heat so that it could just sit and constantly boil slowly until it thickens up. It will thicken up naturally on its own, and it will take about an hour, but this will not require any pectin because the natural sugars in the pineapple will actually thicken it. So this will become a jam just by reducing. Pretty awesome, I'd say. It really turns out well because it has such natural flavors in it. And about 18 minutes left on the timer. It's important to time this. And so yeah, the fruit looks like it's getting soft and almost ready. I'm going to sterilize some jars just to make sure they're good and clean. And the time is just about up, and this is what it looks like. So the countdown is on. So I have my blender ready here. I'm going to pour this into the blender and mix it thoroughly. You notice the texture that it is here. Got a little bit of juice along with the fruit. Now I placed it on chop so that it would chop up all that pineapple and make sure that it's blended well. Time to check this out. Take the lid off. Oh, it smells really good. And look at that. It's pureed really nicely. I'll just pour it in here and we'll see how it does. It's really reduced quite a lot from the amount that we started with. So actually I only need 2 of these jars. Now I'm just putting it into jars with sealers, but it's not about sealing because this is a fresh jam that's made to be in the fridge, and you use it fresh and you use it up within 3 weeks. So you make it in small batches like this and you can be sure to get it used up. But because it's made with no pectin, it does need to be kept in the fridge and used up within 3 weeks, or you could freeze it like a freezer jam as well. Look at this. This is truly a succulent jam. And it has more fruit and less sugar than most jams do. And it's lots of fun to serve on top of crackers like this. I've used it with Havarti cheese, brie, cheddar, and cranberry and pepper boursin, and even with peanut butter, of course. And then top it off with a few fruit or vegetables, or you could even use nuts. Fresh pineapple jam that you've made yourself, and the taste is phenomenal. So go ahead, give this a try. I'm sure you'll use it over and over. And it encourages healthier choices in snacks. And here I'm just putting it on a little piece of toast. So no matter which way you like to serve it, I'm sure you will enjoy this sweet and tarty jam. So please remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching Best Recipes with Sharon, and until next time, happy eating.